This is how you can get started with Power BI for free. If we haven't met yet, my name is Luis, and I'm here to help you break into data analytics or improve your analytics skills. I did write a blog post about this a while ago. You can find the link in my bio or down below, but let's go through it. The first thing you'll want to do is download Power BI, which is completely free from Microsoft. You get two options to download it. One is via the Microsoft Store, and the other is just a download link from your browser. I believe the only difference between the two is that if you download it from the Microsoft Store, it's going to automatically update anytime there's a new version released. So now that you have Power BI downloaded, there are two short courses that I recommend you take. They're both from Microsoft. The first one is going to be the Get Started Building with Power BI course, which will take you around 40 minutes to finish. It's a very basic overview of Power BI and how it works. The next course is going to be the Work with Power BI Visuals course, which should take you about an hour and covers how to add visualizations to reports, how to choose effective visualizations, how to format them, and even how to add a Python or R visual. After you've got the classroom training out of the way, I recommend some hands-on practice. For that, my recommendation is always going to be using a website called Workout Wednesday. Workout Wednesday is a free community challenge where you're given a report to replicate and test your skills. There's a new challenge posted every Wednesday, and then a solution is posted on the weekend. I recommend you complete the first 9 Power BI challenges of 2021 to get started. They will take you through basic data connections all the way to using the forecasting and anomaly detection features of Power BI. After that, it's up to you. I have other Power BI videos you can go through, and there's a ton of Power BI creators on YouTube like Guy in a Cube, Curveball, and How to Power BI that I recommend. And that's it for the video. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more data content.